Thank you all for checking out the channel, and while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to keep up with all of my shenanigans. Flags this way, guys. Welcome back to another gameplay video. And in true runner fashion, I start off the video with me getting shot right in the face. This week, myself and a lot of the Kiowa Creek Airsoft community members went and mobbed Go Airheads Airsoft Field in Erie, Colorado. Now, usually a lot of us wouldn't play here, but we haven't seen each other in a while, and this was a good centralized location. The game mode is Capture the Flag. Now, there wasn't much capturing of the flag because both teams fought really hard to defend the point and make sure that nobody could get to the flagpole.
We got guys on the school bus. Those are our guys.
There was only one flagpole throughout the map, and the goal was to go and just raise your team colors on it. It was in a somewhat open area, and if you've ever played at Go Airheads, you know the area that I'm talking about.
Okay. Go that way.
One thing that I noticed while I was playing that day is my biggest problem as of right now is knowing how to properly lead people. Sometimes I am over-leading the person so much that I'm not hitting them by the time they decide to stop behind a piece of cover, or I'm not leading them enough and my BBs are flying right behind them while they're in a dead run. Sorry for all of the wind in the background. I can't really control the weather. I wish that I could, but hopefully you all understand, and having a little bit of that wind in the background doesn't bother you all.
Okay, dead men walking. Watch your shots, guys. I got people huddled up in the RV. Good shot. Way to get him. Way to get him. Back off. All right, they know we're over here. We need some cover fire.
Oh, you push the bus.
Yeah, bus! Bus! Okay, where they at? Where we at? There. Straight in front of us. Watch out! Straight in front of us. They're shooting at us.
The player I shoot at in just a second is a great example of me leading somebody too much that when I reviewed the footage, he actually got hit by someone else's BBs and not me.
Good shot! Go!
We are now starting game 2 of Capture the Flag. Nobody won the first one, but I did notice that sitting in the buildings was hugely advantageous to monitoring the flagpole zone. I'm gonna run up into these buildings to my right here in a minute, and from there I was able to keep eyes on the flagpole zone and somewhat defend that entire area.
Can we move forward? We need to move forward.
Buddy, you're good. They see you.
You're good. You can get out. You can get out. Watch that helicopter.
Get him, runner.
Trying.
Oh, man.
Shit, reloading. We need to get to a point. We need to get to a point where we can push up.
I don't know.
Moving left. Moving left. Moving left. Oh.
Just the other side of the wall that you can see in the frame, there was multiple guys over there wondering where I was. They knew the area wasn't safe, but I also knew that I had a mob of people on the other side. So I was being very careful to try and silence my breath, as well as my footsteps and my gear bouncing off of the other walls. It was somewhat challenging and pretty exciting, especially when you think that at any moment a mob of people could come in at you and it could be your final stand. I love these moments in Airsoft because they give it the exhilaration that makes it fun to play.